for some craps and giggles, we're just gonna go ahead and do a little cat hair versus car seat vacuuming test between the Shark Stratos and the Ridgid cordless 18 volt. Now, I did put the pet hair removal attachment on the Ridgid and it did turn on. Not as strong as it is when it's on the Shark, but we're gonna try the Ridgid first to see how much of this cat hair we can vacuum. I did remove this seat, and this is where Lila liked to sit the most while we drive. And then we're gonna add this attachment to the Ridgid vacuum and see how well it does. Then we will do a test with just the hose on the seat and then add the hair attachment. First, the Ridgid 18 volt vacuum. You will see it really just moved the cat hair around, didn't quite suction anything up, so we will add the Shark attachment to this. And as I said, it doesn't move as quickly as it does when it is on the Shark Stratos, but let's see how it works with just a regular shop vac. With the attachment on, it did a little bit better. So let's try just the Shark vacuum. And you can see I have gotten my use out of this vacuum already. We're gonna turn it on, let's do it on carpet low pile. The hard floor, from what I have learned, is a lot of suction. So we'll switch it to that in the middle of this, depending on how well it's doing. Again, didn't do the greatest. I did change it to hard floor. It just kind of moved the hair around, similar to the Ridgid. So let's add the hair attachment. We'll try it out on the low carpet and see how that setting goes, and then switch to the hard floor again if we need. Okay, that did so well. I am going to put it on the hard floor. I think I was on the low carpet, but when I turned it off, it was on the high carpet. So either way, we are going to do the hard floor on this side and see how well it does. Well, that did a fabulous job. It clearly beat the Ridgid, but that's just because the suction can be changed, and the suction is really a lot stronger on the Shark Stratos than the Ridgid. I have a gray area still in the car with a lot of cat hair on it. We're just gonna go ahead and do the Stratos on the hard floor setting with the pet hair remover and or hair remover, and see how that does. And here's what we're working with. The center hump is covered in cat hair, and I'm not even gonna mess with the Ridgid because it doesn't suction it up, so we're gonna try this out. And that was with just one pass. I don't know, the light is making things flicker, I think, but that did really well. Let's finish the rest. My neighbors probably think I'm building a go-kart in here, but that is so strong, it actually is pulling up the material. But look at that, vacuumed on hard floor, high speed, full suction, not vacuumed. Yeah, I think you can get away with just the low pile carpet, but that center console was amazing. Absolutely amazing. Beyond impressed still. Let me know what you think. And here I just vacuumed it all really quick, just this area here.